So someone is asking me about mammogram, and they're asking if it's safe. And my answer to that is no, it's not safe. Any form of radiation at any amount that you expose someone to is not safe. There's a potential cancer for any of those who are exposed to that. Okay, that's number one. Number two is it's uncomfortable. There's a lot of pain associated with it. And yung tao na minamammogram ninyo, usually they are very anxious. And number three is there's high false positive. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Usually, wala namang cancer or wala namang bukol, but they would read na, oh, positive siya. So, when in fact, wala naman talagang bukol sa dede. Number four is, it's expensive too. And number five, it's that it's usually kapag na-traumatize yung dede, and there's a possibility, small lang naman, small possibility na pwedeng mag-burst yung cyst or whatever it is that's in the breast. So those are my take for mammogram. I hope you enjoyed this video.